Welcome to an exploration of how AI-powered robotics are silently yet powerfully transforming two vastly different fields: manufacturing and space operations. Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept of the future. When integrated with robotics, it creates systems capable of learning, adapting, and performing complex tasks with incredible autonomy. This combination is driving a quiet revolution, moving beyond simple automation to intelligent, self-optimizing systems that improve efficiency and precision across the board. We will explore how this technology is fundamentally changing factory floors and enabling unprecedented capabilities in the challenging environment of space. First, let's look at the impact of AI robotics on manufacturing, a sector where precision and speed are paramount. AI-powered robots bring increased precision and efficiency, significantly reducing errors and waste, leading to higher quality products and faster production cycles. They are now capable of automating even the most complex assembly lines, handling intricate tasks that were previously only possible with human dexterity. AI allows for predictive maintenance, anticipating equipment failures before they happen, and performing real-time quality control checks with consistent accuracy. Now let's turn our attention to the final frontier: how AI robotics is revolutionizing space operations. In space, autonomous repair and maintenance are critical. AI robots can perform necessary fixes on satellites and spacecraft without human intervention, extending mission lifetimes. These intelligent machines are essential for deep space missions, operating in harsh and unpredictable environments too dangerous or distant for human presence. AI robotics will play a key role in building and maintaining future space infrastructure, from orbital platforms to lunar bases. What core technologies are fueling this revolution? Machine learning algorithms allow robots to process data, recognize patterns, and improve their performance over time, leading to superior decision-making abilities. New sensor and vision systems give robots advanced perception, allowing them to navigate complex spaces and manipulate objects with human-like visual understanding. Looking ahead, the integration of AI and robotics is set for exponential growth. Expect to see these technologies expand into new areas, from deep-sea exploration to personalized healthcare robotics, opening up entirely new possibilities. The transformation is here. Stay informed and engaged with the exciting future being built by AI-powered robotics.